Hey, this is Professor Bergstrom, and I want to talk to you about week 2 in ME1800 Labs for D-Term 2021. And in this week, well, there's nothing special for the people who are remote to do. The assignment is exactly the same for in-person and remote labs, except the people that are in person actually get to go touch the machine tools. And if you can, then you should. But if you can't, it won't count against you in the grading. So this week I want you to complete chapters 3 and 4 in Getting Started with Cam for a Spree. You're going to learn about making pockets and facing operations. In addition to that, I want everybody, whether you're in person or remote, I want you to review the lab instructions for the in-person labs, including watching the videos and in thinking about the steps that you would do. And I want you to go to the CNC Quick Guide for Haas Mills and review the sections in the CNC Quick Guide for Haas Mills for setting work offsets. Oh, yeah, and don't forget, there'll be a quiz on Canvas. It'll be available for you sometime on Thursday, and there are no due dates this term, but if you don't do it this week, you're going to have to remember all this crap later in the term. So I recommend you stay on time with doing the exercises. There's going to be questions about the CAM assignment. There's going to be questions about the in-person labs. Whether you were here or not, you should be able to know enough about the in-person labs to answer the questions if you have reviewed the instructions. And remember, if you have questions about the labs or the online CAM assignments, you can log into one of the online Zoom calls that's announced in the announcements on the Canvas site. Or if you happen to be in person, ask one of the PLAs when you're in lab.